Good afternoon. Welcome to Warsaw.
I have never seen a more exciting time to be in this space.
What we want to share with you today is how to help you and your customers to be more creative using Xerox technology.
The topic print evolution is very important to me, and creating your future, it's something that you have to do every single day.
We as Xerox are here to help pull it together, but it's really these guys that are making sure that it's meeting your needs. Why would somebody choose Xerox?
We're strong on the technology, we're strong on, openness and innovation and working with partners to build, next generation platforms.
You see how far and how strong we can be as a team.
That's good. But today, this idea of being physical is connected with this idea of being digital.
So we start to prepare the future.
This is a big day for our company. We are super excited. 2, 1.
How about that for a brilliant reveal for our new Iridesse Production Press?
The Iridesse is a bit of a game changer. There's an air of excitement in going forward with its capabilities.
Be the first ones who will be able to go and grab these markets will be definitely very successful, and I'm sure you can help to embrace this very big business opportunity.
There's a long way forward, a lot of opportunities, and we're going to be all together to support you in every single step of the way. Thank you very much.